Hello there, young scientists. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Newton's third law of motion. Have you ever wondered why things move the way they do? Well, Newton's third law can help us understand the forces at play in the world around us. Let's start by talking about simultaneous force pairs. These are forces that occur when two objects interact with each other. According to Newton's third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that when one object exerts a force on another object, the second object exerts an equal force back on the first object. These forces are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. For example, imagine you are sitting in a chair. The chair exerts an upward force on you, supporting your weight. At the same time, you exert a downward force on the chair. These two forces form a simultaneous force pair that is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Now let's apply this concept to another scenario. Think about a rocket launching into space. As the rocket's engines push hot gases downward, the gases exert a force on the rocket, propelling it upward. At the same time, the rocket exerts an equal and opposite force on the gases, pushing them downward. This simultaneous force pair allows the rocket to overcome gravity and lift off into space. Now, let's talk about the implications of Newton's third law on our everyday lives. Understanding simultaneous force pairs can help us design better technologies, improve our understanding of how things move, and even predict the outcomes of certain interactions. For example, engineers use Newton's third law when designing bridges, buildings, and other structures. By considering the forces at play in a system, they can ensure that their designs are stable and safe. Additionally, athletes and coaches use this law to optimize their performance in sports such as running, jumping, and throwing. In conclusion, Newton's third law of motion is a powerful tool that helps us understand the forces at play in the world around us. By identifying simultaneous force pairs that are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, we can better comprehend how objects interact and move. So the next time you see something in motion, remember Newton's third law and think about the forces at work. Happy exploring, young scientists. Remember, Newton's third law of motion is all about action and reaction. Every force has an equal and opposite force acting on it. So, the next time you see something moving, think about the forces at play and how they are balanced. Keep exploring and discovering the wonders of physics.